Good morning guys, and welcome back to the channel with me, Gary. And we're currently in the camper van on this Friday morning, similar to the same views as what we had yesterday. Sandra's at work and I'm just waiting for her. Unfortunately Sandra doesn't drive, so when I'm off work I'm a taxi. Anyway, fantastic news guys. Just have a quick sip of coffee. Fantastic news. We've got the night heater working. Thanks to my mate Wayne, who without him I'll be lost, guys. He got under the van yesterday and it was absolutely bucketing it down with rain. Got under the van, absolutely soaking wet. Replaced the fuel line with a new fuel filter, and I'm just gonna show you guys. Obviously I'll have to turn the camera around. Don't know if you can see, but we're cooking on diesel. I was going to say gas there. Nice and warm. It's about 17 Celsius in the van at the moment. So yeah, all up and running. Everything's all secure. We've tested it and tested it again. And this weekend I'm at work. Next weekend we have a Christmas party at work. So hopefully the weekend after then, like I said yesterday, Sandra wants to get away for about 4 or 5 days while we're off over the Christmas. So we will get away, and as promised, we want to do some vlogs on Durham Cathedral and in and around that area. Guys, something else, we have a 120 solar panel with 2 batteries on under where I'm sitting, sorry. They're 130 amp for at both batteries. But the issue I've got an MPPT, and I don't know if you can see here where the green light is, that's the external point for the MPPT. Now, I'll just turn the camera around here. Where we are. I'm not familiar how to use these, so we have 13.4 volts coming from the solar panel. I don't even know how this works, to be honest with you. 12 volts, 12.2 volts at the moment. But the issue I have, the date and time's July 19th 2013, and the time is 20:31 hours. The issue is, guys, I don't know how to change the time on this particular system. It was quite expensive. The MPPT is inside this cupboard and this is the external point. So if there's anybody at all who could run through this with me, maybe it's Gadget John from John and Mandy, or Greg Virgo, or Darren, anyone, any of you guys who are familiar with this sort of system. It's the MPPT, and I think that's this is the M50 or MT50. My eyes are not that good. I'm actually going for an eye test this afternoon. This is the external point there, but if anybody at all can sort of help me and tell me how to change the date and time. But just a short video, guys. Over the moon, the night heater's working. It's lovely and warm at the van at the moment, and we're really itching to get away. So fingers crossed. Was a fortnight's time over the weekend we will be away, and we'll see what happens from there. Guys, if you like the channel, please give me a like. Most importantly, please could you subscribe. I know the short videos, guys, and basically I'm doing a lot of talking at the moment. You haven't really seen much adventures because of obviously work commitments and with the night heater going off, but hey ho, it's all learning, and hopefully, like I said, in a few weeks we'll get some adventures sorted, and you'll be able to come along with us. That's it for now, guys. Have a fantastic weekend. Make sure you relax, and I hope we get some sun over the weekend. I'm not expecting it to be warm, obviously it's autumn, but with a bit of luck we might have a little bit of warm weather, touch wood. Right guys, I'm out of here for now. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, as I said, it really will help the channel. The good news before I do go, I'm after some if I'm pointing, where am I? I'm after some windscreen covers, some thermal windscreen covers, and I have been in touch with a company who sell them online, and I asked them if they were willing to support our channel. They are willing to support our channel, where we can sort of promote their items, what they're selling, and to do that, obviously I need some more subscribers to make it worthwhile for that particular company as well. So if any of you van guys are after decent windscreen covers, then please watch this channel, and hopefully if we get some more subscribers and more likes, we'll be able to start promoting different companies and passing on the savings to yourselves, guys. Thanks for watching. I'm out of here. Take care and have a fantastic weekend. Ta-da for now.